latest 3-layer mission for the mulch. It was like this, and after mulch you can see how the grass.
Look at that. Wow. Lot of granules, virgin plastic, and mixed with some colors, black colors. Yeah. After this,
All the process will take. It will melt in the machine, and we will get the final product.
Okay. Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Today we are in Kolar. So Kolar, you know, the KGF, that Rocky bike, Kolar, you know, gold fields. So we are in Kolar, but no gold. You can see there's a lot of pomegranates. And today's video, we are in a live farm where they are using a lot of mulching peppers. So we have our friend or the factory owner of this mulching, Mr. Shravan Reddy.
Yes.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm great. So nice to meet you. What's the exact location is this?
So we are in KGF Sundarpalya.
So this KGF near, how many kilometers?
30 kilometers.
30 kilometers. So I can see a lot of people are standing. That is a farmer or what?
He is farmer Reddy, and he is the founder of Chowdeshwari Polymers.
So your factory founder?
Yes.
Okay. What's his name?
Radhakrishna Reddy. And his? Som Reddy.
He is a farmer.
He is the farmer.
Okay. You look at that, how beautifully he arranged this pomegranate plants and everything. How many years old plant? Ask him.
One and a half year.
Oh my God, look at that. So basically, this mulching. So we are in a live farm, right?
Yes.
So this is your customer.
Yes.
So we came to the live farm. You tell me how this mulching is useful.
Actually, he approached me 1 month back. He need mulch film for pomegranate. And I referred that 30 micron will be useful for the pomegranate.
Okay.
He ordered 20 rolls, and you can see the result.
Okay.
You can see before and after.
Okay.
Before, you can see here. Before the mulch, it was like this, and after mulch, you can see how the grass
dried up.
This is the uses of the main motto of the mulch is it will control the weed.
Okay.
And it saves 40% of the water.
Oh, really? So basically, you are saying that the weedicide applied by the farmers,
yes,
it will be reduced.
Yes,
the cost of the weedicide will be reduced. Okay.
Above 40 degrees, they will use white. Below 40, they will go for silver mulch film.
So if the people is watching the video from Rajasthan, Gujarat, so extreme temperature. For them, what? White.
For them, white.
Okay. For south farmers like
Karnataka, they go for silver only.
Yeah. So most of the time, I know this farmer is producing pomegranate. Apart from that, tomato also, right?
Tomato.
So for that, how many microns?
25 micron.
It's enough.
Yes.
So how could you explain like this crop and microns, how it is?
Micron depends on the variation of the crop. It depends whether 4 months crop, 6 months or 1 year crop. For 4 months, they can go for 16 micron.
Okay.
For 6 months, they can go for 25. Like pomegranate, they should go for 30 micron.
So what you are telling that short time crops,
yes,
like pulses, tomato and things, 20 microns, 16, 20 microns
16, 20 is enough.
Okay. So hailstorm, rain, that what is this, the stone storm, that won't be affected, right?
That won't be affected.
Okay. So basically that is the detailed information from the live farm, that the use of micron and the use of colors and the mulching paper, and we have our Soma Reddy, the farmer who is doing all this pomegranate, and recently he purchased from them and he applied.
You can
this.
see the live result.
Yeah, you can see that completely dried. You can see it's already very strong. I can pull it like this, but still it's not coming. So it is very strong, and this is for 30 microns. So long-term crops.
Long-term crops.
Okay. So that is the video from the live farm. We are going to their factory. So the factory, they will all explain how this mulching is produced, what kind of material they are used, and how can you approach these people. Everything we are going to cover in the factory. So we have visited the farm, and we documented how the quality, everything, and now we are in the factory. Look at this. So Shravan Reddy, what are you looking?
This is SURAKSHA, bro. This is our new product, SURAKSHA. We started 3 months back.
Okay. So this is the brand new product you are saying?
Yes.
Okay. So this is all like bundles going to farmers or what?
Yes, it's going for Kadri.
Okay, Kadri?
Yeah, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay. So basically, how many states you are supplying now?
We are supplying for 3 states.
What are the?
Karnataka, Andhra and Tamil Nadu.
Okay. Telangana?
Telangana, we have just started.
Okay. So out of these 3 states, what is the most farmers you are supplying towards?
We are supplying to Andhra. Most we are supplying to Andhra.
Madanapalli?
Yes, Madanapalli. No, not Madanapalli. Kadri and local.
The tomatoes?
For tomato.
Okay. So now let's jump into this process. Basically, when we look into mulching, we see only mulching, right?
Yeah.
So how it's starting and from what is the process? Could you explain?
So actually we start, we produce mulch from granules.
Okay.
These are Reliance granules, you can see. And this is the plasmix granules. You can see here also. These are the additives.
Okay.
Black additive. This is
So
black
the colours
additive.
which is given.
Master batch.
Okay.
This is plasmix companies.
So this is Reliance. So you are saying that you are supplying the like top quality. You are giving priority.
Yeah. See, actually we have formula. We mix all the materials.
Okay.
Reliance material, and also we use methlocene. You can see there. It's made in USA. Methlocene.
Okay. So basically, once you mix all these ingredients, what is the next process?
Once
You mix it here or what?
Yeah, we mix here. Once we mix, we put it in the this. Actually, after
Look at this. Lot of granules, virgin plastic, and mixed with some colors, black colors. Yeah. After this,
all the process will take. It will melt in the machine, and we will get the final product.
Okay. So could you tell me how this happen and what is the main risk factor outside the market? Fraud, things like that.
No, actually we have risk factor in the market is many other players use RP material, recycled. Actually we don't use any recycled product. We use only virgin material. Also you can see we have a latest 3-layer machine.
As a 3-layer.
Yeah, you can see, you can show 1, 2 and 3.
Okay, 1, 2 and 3. So basically in outside we get 2-layer, 3-layer, but we cannot trust that, right?
Yes, we cannot trust the outside market. Actually many players are selling recycled materials. What will happen after 3 to 4 months, it will tear. Actually there is a difference between virgin and recycled. In virgin we get more life. Also land will not be spoiled. In recycled, if the product is teared, land will be spoiled.
Okay. So basically what you are saying that which we are giving the 3-layer which give you more quality.
Yes, it will give more quality and strength.
Okay. That is the controlling panel.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is the control.
Okay. So once the heat is generated, then air, because of the air it is coming like this, right?
Yes, it will come in the dye. Air will control the bubble.
Okay. So because of that it will get to this
air will just control the bubble.
So once this layer is formed, then what is the next process? Rolling.
Next process is the rolling.
Okay. So it's go up and it will come again.
Yes, this is the final product. You can see here.
Wow, look at this. So how many meters?
We have set at 7,200 meters.
7,000?
Yes, this is for punching. You can see the punching machine there.
Okay. How many kgs that might be?
It may be 250 kgs.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay, but it is bigger.
It's bigger.
Okay. So basically we are moving towards the front of this, and here also it's a rolling machine.
Yes. Different color represent different micron.
Okay.
Time period of the product.
Okay, got it. So after that, what is the process there? Like I found some holes, without holes, how it's?
Actually, many of the farmers, they buy plain and they will make it holes.
Without holes?
Without holes. They will make it hole in their land.
Okay.
But in Andhra Pradesh, they will purchase directly old. They will pay extra to us and they will ask the sizes. We will make hole according to their requirements.
Okay. Look at that. Wow.
So actually, we will set the hole size, whatever the requirement the dealer gives, and automatically the machine punches according to the size.
Okay. No heat, right?
No heat.
So after that, how many meters you are rolling there?
It depends on the customer. We may 500 meters, 600, 800.
Okay.
Some may ask 500 meters, some may ask 600, some may ask 800.
So now how many meters is this?
This is 500 meters.
500 meters. So in Karnataka, how many meters you are selling?
No, actually in Kolar district, we sell 600 meters more. When it goes to Andhra, they buy 400 and 500.
Okay, 500.
In Tamil Nadu, Andhra.
So normally for 1 acre, how many we you suggest? Like
for 1 acre, 600 meter, 4 rolls. 4 to 4.5.
4 to 4.5.
4.5.
Okay. So by placing the mulching, we explained what are the uses in the land itself, the field we have explained, and this is the process, and he have explained what is the 3-layer machine and everything. And once that packaged, they are placing here, and the farmers will come directly, or you are supplying?
Farmers will come directly, and also will supply to dealers. We don't supply to farmers.
Okay.
Farmers come directly. We supply to dealer.
Okay. If this video is watching from different part of India, right, north, like Gujarat or Rajasthan, how you can supply this?
We supply through logistics like VRL, etc.
One more doubt I have. So after this material, this material, can we reuse this one?
No, for mulch we should not reuse this. We can use for drip lateral. If we use for the mulch, the life of mulch will be reduced.
Okay. So that's the reason you place the
yeah, you can see.
Okay. You can come, you can visit, you can, by touching there, quality, you can understand. They will also explain.
We will guide the farmers.
Okay, so that is the complete information. So if you like the video, share with your farmers friends, and you have to write your comment section also what you understand, what's your suggestions. You can also reply on that.
Okay, we will
and
reply.
you can connect, and if you want to document your farm or any kind of agriculture startups, you can connect us on email. And if you are looking for polymers like mulching, any micro,
Any micron.
up to
100.
you can connect them. And I'm going to give you the details in the description. And see you with another beautiful video. Until then, take care, bye bye, and thank you so much.
Thank you.